fun with these gorgeous colors that come in our 67% off deal. What? Okay. All right, let's get going. Okay, so I'm gonna do my BB Brew. I'm gonna mix a little bit of the concealer to give the BB cream a little bit more coverage. A little bit of BB cream. Now I've got my BB Brew. I've got BB cream and concealer. All you need is your brush. This is like, you can see I use this brush for everything. It's so awesome. And just pat, pat, pat. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna do my under eyes first. I'm gonna do my eyes, and then we'll come and do some highlighting and concealing. Something new, something fun. Let's just try it out. And we're gonna use some of these colors that come in our 67% off kit. So if you don't know what that is, comment below. I'll send you a quick message and tell you all about it. But it comes with these 4 yummy colors. So Discreet is kind of a matte light pink. Witty is a pumpkin orange. Gentle is a champagne nude. And then Alive is kind of a glittery gold. So we're gonna start with this color on the crease. So this Witty is really fun. It's nice and warm. It's a perfect summer color, you guys, and fall. But I find it's a really good kind of transition here in the crease. It's gonna warm everything up. See how pretty that is? Let's do a brown, and then we'll put the gold in the middle. I'm a little worried about a little too much yellow. So we're gonna take this color, Astute, okay, right here. And I'm actually gonna put that all over the lid just to kind of mute this orange a little bit. So orangey, okay, like that. So then we just have the orange kind of pop in this crease here. So let's play around with this gold. So you could do it like in the inner corner would look really cool, across would look really cool. I think we're gonna concentrate it on this inner corner here. So this is a cream shadow, and I'm not using a cream shadow brush, but you totally can. Cream shadow brushes are a little more dense, which they make it ideal for getting this cream shadow to be exactly where you want it to go. Like I said, I don't usually do yellows, but we just thought we'd have a little fun this morning. So let's do a darker brown. I grab my other colors here, and we're actually gonna do one that has a little bit of a maroon tint to it called Nonsensical. Okay, I love this color because it's not like a flat brown. It has a little bit more interest to it because it's got the maroon. Okay, I'm gonna take my blending brush, and we're just gonna go again in this corner here, all right, right over that Witty pumpkin orange shade, and it's gonna just give it this nice, warm, darker maroon look. All right. That looks cool, you guys. It's like fire. Doesn't that look cool? It does. It looks like you go from the purple to the orange, like a sunset. Let's add some concealer under eyes, clean that up a little bit. I'm gonna take my Scarlet Skin Perfecting Concealer on the back of my hand, and you want to mix a little bit of primer with it. Then you wanna take your concealer brush. So I'm mixing this concealer with the primer, and we're gonna go under eyes and just clean this all up. Okay, and then we're gonna down the middle of my nose, little forehead here, right here. Okay. So let's blend that in and just blend this all in, okay? All right, see how that like brightens up under your eyes? All right, and then contour. Okay, let's do that really fast. Get these cheeks all sculpted. Okay, other side. See, just a little bit of blending in. There we go. Okay, let's add some eyeliner here. I want to do this color for my eyeliner, keeping with this kind of red, orange, yellow look. I'm going to use my setting spray because that's just handy. Ta-da! What do you guys think? So that color that I use as eyeliner is called Fervent. Super, super pretty. All right, so for lip, we're gonna use my new Hottie Lip Plumper color. It's in the color shade Chandelle, so they're all named after other unique presenters. All right, so I'm gonna use Prudent, and I'm gonna line my lips really quick. This lip liner is waterproof and smudge proof and everything, so it's not gonna go anywhere. So this is the Chandelle Lip Plumper It does plump up your lips, and it gives this beautiful color too. Like, how pretty is that, you guys? Now, we're gonna go one more step further. So remember this gold we used on the inside of our eyes? And you can even take a little bit of this color, and we're just gonna pat it in the middle of my lips. Okay. Okay. So then it makes it look kind of bronzy, which is kind of cool, right? Let's do some mascara so we kind of finish this off. Let's do some brows. So I'm going to take my brow precision pencil. I'm taking my light brown, my light brow obsession palette. But this allows me to just fill in my brows really quickly, and this brush is amazing, you guys. Like that. I have brows, yay! Okay, I'm just gonna set this with some powder. I'm gonna use my pressed powder that I have and a nice fat powder puff brush. All right, what do you guys think? All right, thanks you guys for joining me. Have a wonderful day. If you have any questions about what I use, feel free to comment below or send me a quick message. Bye.